Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a blind spot monitoring system, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.